Are you searching for that perfect, beautiful mountain property? Well, you're gonna wanna check this out. Located on just 10 private acres, this land offers a peaceful forest setting with a mix of rolling hills, a small gully, and natural privacy. With multiple build sites to choose from, whether you want distant mountain views from higher up or prefer to stay nestled in the trees for total privacy, you'll love the tucked away feel just moments from the main road. Deer, birds, and the quiet forest are your neighbors. Bring your horses. This property has augmentation rights for the well when you are ready to drill, so you've got options. Just minutes from Conifer for shopping, dining, and local parks, with quick access to Highway 285 means weekend adventures are always close. So if you're looking for privacy, beauty, and location, this land has it all. Reach out to me for more details. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.